Hello everyone. Once again, I'm here with you and today we are continuing with our chapter average. In our previous video, we have discussed introduction of average and what is average? Average is a single number which gives the information of a group of number. मतलब एवरेज एक सिंगल नंबर है जो ग्रुप ऑफ नंबर्स की इंफॉर्मेशन आपको प्रोवाइड करता है. सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस फ्यू क्वेश्चन रिलेटेड विद एवरेज. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद आवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द एजेस ऑफ 6 children chosen for a project work are 13 years, 16 years, 14 years, 17 years, 16 years and 14 years respectively. Find the average age of each child. So, to solve this question, we need to do 2 steps. Okay, the 2 steps are, first we have to find the sum of the ages, and the second step, we divide that sum by ages of number of ages. Okay, so these are the 2 steps and then we will find our average. So, here I have written sum of ages. So, मैंने क्या किया है, सभी एजेस को ब्रैकेट में लिख दिया है और लास्ट में एक ही बार ईयर्स लिखा है. वाई? बिकॉज ऑल दीज नंबर्स आर अ ग्रुप ऑफ सेम काइंड ऑफ नंबर. सेम काइंड के नंबर हैं क्योंकि मैंने स्टार्टिंग में ही आपको बताया था कि एवरेज जो है एक सेम काइंड ऑफ नंबर की इंफॉर्मेशन आपको देता है. Okay, so now we need to find its sum. So after adding all these ages, what we will get? 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 4 13, 13 plus 7 20, 20 plus 6 26 plus 4 30. 0 and 3 is the carry. 1 2 3 4 5 6 plus 3 90. So what is the sum of all these ages? 90 years. Now this is our first step. Now we have to find our second step. Average age of each child. So to find the average age, what we will do? We'll divide 90 by 6, and after dividing 90 by 6, we will get 15 years. So the average age of each child is 15 years. So this is the way to find the average. So it is very simple concept how to find the average. So let us discuss our next question. So this is our next question. Sachin scored 98 runs, 25, 105, 62 and 65 runs in 5 matches. What was the average score? So here Sachin scored these runs in 5 different matches and we have to find its average. So once again we need to find the 2 steps. What will be the first step? Sum of the score, and second step, we divide the sum by total matches, and after that we will get our answer. So I'm leaving this question for you and we will proceed for our next question. Our next question is, Rama earns rupees 65, rupees 82, rupees 79, rupees 75, rupees 90 and rupees 83 in 6 days. Find his average earning in a day. So in this question, once again you have to find out the average. So what we will do? Well, we'll first find the sum of the earning, and after that we divide this sum by 6 because we have to find out the average age of each day, and these are 6 numbers. So we will divide the sum by 6 and after solving it we will get our answer. So once again this is very easy question, so you can solve this question yourself. So moving toward our next question, and here is our next question. The temperature of a city in 5 days was 38.5 degrees centigrade, 41.2 degrees Celsius, 46.2 degrees Celsius, 31.4 degrees Celsius and 37.2 degrees Celsius. What was the average temperature, average daily temperature? So once again here we have to find out the average. So for this we need to find the sum as well as the division of the numbers. So for here we have given a few decimal numbers, and remember how to add the decimal numbers. So all these numbers are like decimal, and how to add the like decimal? By arranging them, and after arranging we can find the sum. So sum of these number is 194.5 degree Celsius. The sum of all these numbers is 194.5 डिग्री सेल्सियस. मैंने तो फाइंड आउट कर लिया, पर आप इसका सम जो है रफ में निकाल कर लिख सकते हैं. ओके, नाउ द सेकेंड स्टेप, एवरेज डेली टेम्परेचर. सो फॉर एवरेज डेली टेम्परेचर व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल डिवाइड द सम ऑफ टेम्परेचर बाय how many numbers are given to you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or we can say that 5 days. So we will divide it by 5. So once again, the division of a whole number, division of a decimal number with a whole number. So whenever we have to divide such question, what we will do? We will do long division method. So after dividing, we will get 38.9 degree Celsius as average temperature, average daily temperature of the city. Next question is, Bharat scored following marks in 6 subjects, and these are English 88, Hindi 64, Sanskrit 89, Maths 96, Hindi 64, Social Science 80. Find the average score in each subject. So you have to find the average score of Bharat. So these are the marks obtained in different subjects. So what we need to find? We need to find the sum of all the subjects, sum of all the scores in different subjects. So what we will do? We'll add all the subjects marks, and after adding, what we will do? We divide the sum by 6. Why we are going to divide the sum by 6? Because this is the score in 6 different subjects. Okay, and after dividing we will get our answer. So once again, I am leaving this question for you, and let's proceed for our next question. So this question is a little bit different from the other question, so pay attention. In an office, 20 employees get a salary of rupees 1,250 each, and 10 employees get a salary of rupees 2,000 each. Find the average salary of each employee. देखिए, ये वाला जो क्वेश्चन है ये बाकी क्वेश्चन से डिफरेंट है. अब ये तो हमें पता है कि whenever we have to find average, we require 2 steps. One is addition, one is the sum, and the second is the division. तो पहले तो हमें ये देखना पड़ेगा कि कौन से ऐसे नंबर्स हैं जिनसे हम लोग सम फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. नाउ लुक एट द फर्स्ट लाइन. व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट लाइन? दैट 20 एम्प्लॉयज get a salary of rupees 1,250 each. So this is the first line. ये कहता है कि 20 एम्प्लॉयज़ की सैलरी जो है, हर एम्प्लॉय की सैलरी 1,250 वन एम्प्लॉय की सैलरी है. Each means one employee gets a salary of rupees 1,250. It means 20 employees की कितनी होगी? So for this what we will do? We multiply. Okay. So salary of 20 employees. So what is the salary of 20 employees? We have to find. अगर एक एम्प्लॉय की सैलरी 1,250 है तो 20 की कितनी हो जाएगी? Multiply 20. It means the salary of 20 employees is equal to rupees. Let us multiply 25,000. This is the salary of 20 employees. Now the second line. 10 employees get a salary of rupees 2,000 each. It means salary of 10 employees. Salary of 10 employees. अब 10 employees की सैलरी कितनी होगी? 2,000 है हर एक की. Multiply 10 employees. So the salary of 10 employees is rupees 20,000. Now टोटल सैलरी जो कि ऑफिस एम्प्लॉयज़ को प्रोवाइड करवा रहा है वो कितनी होगी? 25,000 प्लस 20,000। क्यों हमने इन दोनों को ऐड किया? क्योंकि वो 20 एम्प्लॉयज़ को भी ऑफिस जो है सैलरी दे रहा है और 10 एम्प्लॉयज़ को भी दे रहा है। सो लेट अस ऐड देम एंड वी विल गेट ₹45,000। इसका मतलब जो ऑफिस है वो 45,000 सैलरी प्रोवाइड कर रहा है। ओके, नाउ द टोटल एम्प्लॉयज़। अब आपको बताना है कि टोटल एम्प्लॉयज़ कितने होंगे। सो टोटल एम्प्लॉयज़ कितने होंगे? टोटल एम्प्लॉयज़ होंगे 10, 20, 1,250, 10, 2,000 वाले। सो टोटल एम्प्लॉयज़ हो गए 30। अब हमारे पास टोटल सम भी आ गया और टोटल नंबर ऑफ एम्प्लॉयज़ भी आ गए। नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द एवरेज। सो एवरेज अगर हमने निकालनी है, सो व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल डिवाइड 45,000 बाय 30। सो कैंसिल 10 से 10 एंड रेस्ट 1500। अगर आपको कटिंग आती है तो वैसे, नहीं तो यू कैन डिवाइड। सो आंसर इज द सैलरी ऑफ ईच एम्प्लॉय, the average salary of each employee will be equal to ₹1,500. So this is the way to solve. This is all about this chapter, average. Some of the questions we have discussed in this video, so you need to solve all these questions, and by solving more and more questions related with average, you can improve your concept. Okay, so just do more and more practice. Thank you and have a nice day.